welcome to Verdictum. I am Ananya Singh and you're watching today's legal news, where we apprise you with the recent important legal developments across the country. Here are the headlines. Supreme Court grants interim bail to Pawan Khera after his arrest by Assam police for derogatory remarks against Prime Minister. Supreme Court refuses to pass injunction order against media in relation to Hindenburg report against Adani Group. Mumbai court rejects plea against actor Nawazuddin Siddiqui for dowry harassment. MD and CEO of Zee Media moves NCLAT against NCLT order to initiate insolvency proceedings against company. A person cannot be said to be suffering from mental illness only due to raising allegations against High Court judges, holds Calcutta High Court. Now let's take a detailed look on the headlines. The Supreme Court granted interim bail to Congress spokesperson Pawan Khera, who was arrested by the Assam police and was also booked by the Uttar Pradesh police for making derogatory remarks against Prime Minister Narendra Modi at a press conference. Khera had made a debacle of PM Modi's name while making a demand for a joint parliamentary probe into the Adani Hindenburg case. A bench of CJI Chandrachud and Justices PS Narasimha and JV Pardiwala of the Supreme Court refused to pass any injunction order against media to halt reports in relation to Hindenburg report against the Adani group of companies. Advocate M.L. Sharma had sought the court to pass gag order against the media and said that the report should first be filed with and verified by SEBI. The Chief Justice of India, T.Y. Chandrachud, said that we are not going to issue any injunction ever against the media. Supreme Court had last week reserved its order on constitution of an expert committee to review the regulatory mechanism to protect investors. A Mumbai court rejected two pleas filed against Bollywood actor Nawazuddin Siddiqui by his former wife, seeking court directions to police to register cases against the actor for alleged demand for dowry and harassment. His former wife filed multiple complaints against him falsely claiming to be his wife, but the pleas were dismissed by the magistrates court after Siddiqui's lawyers produced the divorce papers. Puneet Goenka, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of Zee Entertainment Enterprises, moved National Company Law Appellate Tribunal against order of National Company Law Tribunal for initiation of corporate insolvency resolution process against the media house. The NCLT bench of judicial member Justice H.V. Subbarao and technical member Madhu Sinhathe has passed the order on February 22nd, allowing application filed by Indocent Bank seeking CIRP proceedings against Zee, claiming over 90 crores of financial debt. The CIRP proceedings come at a time when Zee is potentially going to merge with Sony Pictures. A single-judge bench of Calcutta High Court comprising Justice Amrita Sinha quashed an order passed by State Legal Services Authority in December 2018, ordering a psychiatric test of a lawyer's clerk, who is the petitioner in the present case. The High Court held that a person cannot be said to be suffering from mental illness only upon judging his behavior or after going through certain communications made by the said person. The SLSA had passed the order against the petitioner for writing several letters to government officials and judicial officers of high rank, making several allegations against High Court judges. Thank you and keep watching Verdictum, and subscribe to our channel and download the Verdictum app on iOS and Android to keep yourself updated with authentic legal news.